Here at MarineMax Venice, we are your one-stop shop for everything boating. We offer everything from new and pre-owned boats to brokerage services. We have our own finance department, so we handle the financing of the vessel, the insurance, warranties.
Well, something we do really well here is we pride ourselves on customer service. We have a very wide range of types of boats that we sell. Our expertise ranges all the way from bay boats to pleasure yachts.
The boat is very important, but so is the dealership you're buying it from. On the boat purchase, they have to feel comfortable and they have to trust their salesperson. Our brands, they're very premium products. The workmanship, the whole design, the attention to detail is super important. So that's why we team up with the manufacturers we do, because that's what our customers expect and that's where we get the best results.
The access of this property gives us the unrivaled ability to do open water sea trials. Access to the Gulf of Mexico is very easy. We are the full service marina that has it all. So please give us a call or stop by anytime and we'll see you on the water.